Hello everyone, welcome to Guangzhou Transport Information Technology Company. Now I'm Millie from here. Behind me is the automatic ice cream machine. Let me introduce this machine. The machine, it can sell 600 a day and it's easy to operate. And then you can pay in cash, card and coin. And you choose the tasty in the screen and the strawberry. I like this tasty, then I buy it and check this screen to pay. Now the machine is making the ice cream. And the payment system is also can be customized. The ice cream is done. The spoon is under the cups. See, the ice cream is very smooth. It's very nice.